We do have another unboxing and first impressions. So let's just discover this house all together. What is going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. We have a new house here to discover, and this is the house of Christopher Lee. I'm not familiar with his creations, so let's just smell his fragrances for the first time all together, shall we? This is a PR. Thank you so much for sending me this. I have no idea what do we have in there, so let's just see. That's a little box, so let's see the fragrances we have in there. That's gonna be like a quick video. This is a Saturday, a lazy Saturday in a way. Okay, we have Angel's Candy. So this is the fragrance he sent me. It's a cool tube bottle. So how do you open this tube box without making a mess? Okay, there's the sticker. Slowly but surely. Okay, so this is the bottle here. It sits really snug. Really snug. So this is 50 ml Angel's Candy by Christopher Lee. So let's just have a clean tester strip here and let's just discover this baby out. This is strong, sweet. Like rosy sweet in a way. I haven't sprayed it yet, but it's very fragrant. So I'm assuming that's a very strong fragrance. And probably I made a mistake spraying all these sprays in the air. Yeah, this is a very sweet fragrance. This is a sexy scent, sweet scent, powdery though. I didn't know what do I have in this box and I don't know the note breakdown, but it's kind of like gives me like a cherry vibe in a way. Like a sweet, darker cherry vibe. Let me spray it on my hand. That's a strong fragrance. Again, I can just smell it everywhere. It smells great though. This is a sexy going out scent. Still gives me that cherry sweet vibe in a way, which I enjoy. I feel like probably there's tobacco here too. I smell tobacco on my skin. It smells kind of like a wet tobacco in a way. In the background, there's definitely some sort of white florals in there too. This is really concentrated. I'm not sure if you guys can see how oily my hand is. I like it for this fall and winter season. This is a great going out scent. I am probably gonna make this my scent of the night tonight for Saturday. Great day to wear such a fragrance. And I'm just gonna let you know what I think on Shorts and on Instagram and TikTok. So please follow me on these 3 platforms. Note sponge always. Please don't forget to show me some love by liking this video. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it to discover all together on the spot new houses. Also, let me know in the comment section down below, have you smelled anything from Christopher Lee's house before? I'm curious, I would love to know. So far, this one seems to be really good. I'm enjoying it. And I'm curious what else is good. So let me know. And this is pretty much it, guys. Peace.